One of the areas I'm interested in investing in, and I've been doing so, is quantum computing. So I asked an AI assistant to put together a video of the top 5 quantum stocks to invest in. And here's what we found. Enjoy.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of quantum computing and revealing the top 5 stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio right now. This technology is going to revolutionize everything. And I mean, in the next few years, it's like the early days of the internet. Remember how big that got? Only this is going to be even bigger. I'm talking life-changing, wealth-building, early retirement kind of big. We're going to break down the top 5 stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio right now to capitalize on this incredible opportunity. First up, we've got IBM. Now, you might think of them as your grandpa's computer company, but trust me, they are on the cutting edge of quantum computing. They've been in the game for decades, and they're putting up some serious numbers. We're talking over 200 qubits with their Eagle processor. Why does that matter? Because more qubits equal more power, and that translates to faster drug discovery, more powerful AI, and even cracking the encryption that protects your online transactions. They're not just building the hardware either, they've got a whole ecosystem of software and services to support it. IBM is publicly traded, and while their stock price might fluctuate like any other, their long-term potential in quantum is undeniable. If you're looking for a solid, established player in the quantum space, IBM is a great place to start. Next up is Google, and let's be real, is there anything these guys aren't involved in? They're not just about search engines and self-driving cars anymore, they're making serious waves in quantum computing. Remember that whole quantum supremacy thing? Yeah, that was them. They developed a quantum computer that solved a problem in 200 seconds that would have taken a classical computer 10,000 years. Let that sink in for a second. 10,000 years versus 200 seconds. That's the power of quantum, and Google is at the forefront. They're partnering with universities and research institutions, attracting top talent, and pouring billions into their quantum research. Google is a company that knows how to innovate, and their investments in quantum are a clear signal of where the future is headed. Our next contender is none other than Microsoft. Now, they're not just about Windows and Office anymore. They're betting big on quantum, and they're doing it through their cloud computing platform, Azure. See, quantum computers are expensive and complex. Most companies can't afford to just build their own. That's where Azure comes in. Microsoft is making quantum computing accessible to everyone through the cloud. This means businesses can tap into the power of quantum without the massive upfront investment. This strategy is already attracting major players in finance, healthcare, and materials science. By democratizing access to quantum, Microsoft is positioning itself as the go-to platform for the quantum revolution. And that, my friends, is a very lucrative place to be. Now let's talk about Intel. They're the kings of computer chips, and they're bringing that expertise to the quantum game. Intel is taking a slightly different approach. They're focusing on building quantum processors using silicon, a material they already know like the back of their hand. This gives them a potential advantage in terms of scalability and cost. They're also working on developing quantum computing systems that can operate at higher temperatures, which is crucial for making these systems more practical and widely available. Intel might not be as flashy as some of the other players, but they're known for their solid engineering and their ability to deliver results. Don't underestimate the sleeping giant. Last but not least, we have Rigetti Computing. They're a smaller player compared to the giants on this list, but don't let that fool you. Rigetti is all about building the most powerful quantum computers on the planet. They're focused on a technology called superconducting transmon qubits, which they believe offers the best path to achieving what's called fault-tolerant quantum computing. Now this is the holy grail of quantum, where errors are corrected on the fly, paving the way for truly mind-blowing applications. Rigetti is a high-risk, high-reward kind of investment. They're still in the early stages, but if they succeed in their mission, they have the potential to disrupt the entire industry. That's it for today's video. We've covered 5 incredible companies at the forefront of the quantum computing revolution. These are companies with the potential to reshape our world and generate massive returns for early investors. Now remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. The future is full of opportunities, and quantum computing is undoubtedly one of the biggest. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest investment opportunities. See you in the next one.